In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Google Analytics Property ID and Tracking ID. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you should land on the Analytics homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of activity. But for what we need, we are going to head into the Admin and Data Stream settings. Look over to the left side navigation and click the Admin area, which is usually shown as a gear icon. This takes you to the place where accounts and properties are managed. If you have access to multiple properties, take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct one, because the IDs you copy are specific to the property you are currently viewing. Inside the Admin section, find and click Data Streams. In some layouts, you may need to click Data Streams again as you move from the Property column into the Detailed Stream settings. The goal is to open the table that lists your streams, such as web, iOS, or Android. These streams are where you will find the Google tag information and measurement details that people often refer to as the tracking ID. When the Data Streams table is visible, click into the stream you are using by selecting the stream name. After you open the stream, look near the top of that stream details page for the identifier associated with the stream. This is the tracking identifier that is typically used to connect your website or app to this Google Analytics property. When you find it, copy it carefully. A helpful tip is to paste it into a temporary note first, so you can confirm it matches the expected format before you use it in another tool. Next, to find the property ID, go back within the admin area and click Property Details. This opens the Property Settings page. On this page, you will see the property ID value listed. Select it and copy it, making sure you grab the full number and nothing extra. At this point, you have both values, the tracking identifier from the data stream. Store them somewhere secure and accurate for your setup or documentation. And that is all there is to it.